It's been 3 days since our snowstorm. Let's see what my garden looks like. Well, it's still looking pretty snowy here on the 24th. We did, in my area, get 9.8 inches of snow in Northwest Florida. What the hell? It is getting into the high 40s today, but I'm going to walk out here and check out the chicken coop and see how it's doing, because I need to get chickens out of the house. Let's go do it. Oh yeah. It stayed nice and dry under here. Some snow did come from up there. Not bad. So because this netting here was really impacted with snow, had a lot on it, I need to check for any big holes because, you know, we have a hawk issue. My owl fell down, but he's still up there. How about that? So let me give you an example of what these damn squirrels do. All of this is open right here. So that is more than enough for a hawk to get through. Because what they like to do is land on this board here or on the umbrella. They bounce around like pterodactyls looking for a hole. This has got to be fixed. And here. Damn squirrels. What I need to do is just bring in a roofer to roof this whole thing. I don't know if we can do it. We're going to try. So I only need to do a few things before I can let the chickens back out here. The Saramas are staying in for another day or two, but I think the big girls are safe to come back out now. Let's go check out the inside of the coop. Hopefully I don't fall down and bust my ass. What we got, oh, it's cold in here. Some spring cleaning to do. What's this saying? So like 32, 4. So yeah. It's cold in here, but I think the big girls will be okay. So overall, I think it's pretty good, but this stuff can melt. But I did see a news report. We might could get some more at the end of the month, 1st of February. Please, God, no. It was beautiful, but I think us Floridians are done.